what is up, my double clutchers? We're back in Belmont. It is Friday, and hopefully today will be the day where we actually square this place away and get her done. So stay tuned, we'll see how it goes. All right, we got all these pegs marked with some orange paint just for safety purposes, and then like I said, on the trailheads, anywhere there's a trailhead popped out, it's just a good thing to hit it with some orange paint. So we got all those railroad spikes marked, some orange paint. Next step is going to be moving on to this inner lane. Yeah, I just want to take this time to say I appreciate the guys that have come out here and using this RC track. Me moving this corrugated pipe and trying to clean up out here is not like a lamb blast at anyone else's efforts. I'm just trying to make this place look a little bit better, so when the city comes up here and looks at it, it doesn't look like it's in shambles. Need to get some water. One of the keys of Water Dog is staying hydrated, boys. Let's see what we got in the old cooler here. All right. So this is all the junk that we've been kind of trying to organize here. This is my nail box, which I will be packing out. Fill that up with as much trash as I can. I do have one trash bag, so I'll go around and do the best I can, try to get as much trash. Pretty good day so far. We started out on that inside wall and have been using that 2x4 for the lane spacing just to kind of figure out some track. So we did actually get those railroad spikes in that inner lane all the way around, all the way to there. And then we started working on that third lane, the most inner lane right now. And we're gonna make our second hit around here, just kind of tagging those nails with some construction orange paint so that it's safety. Anyone that needs to work out here in the future, make it a little safer. And right now what we're doing is we're just trying to, I got my little razor knife out. We're just cleaning up a couple of these edges so that I can get these pipe fitters back on and then run out and finish up this turn right here.